Since you clicked on this video, you want to know how to get your jaw from looking like this to this, or transitioning your jaw from looking like that to that. Looking at the two pictures here, there's a clear difference between how both of them look, as well as the different features that they have. Looking at the image, you can see that one has a good definition of cheekbones and a defined and developed jaw. Whilst on the other hand, the other picture has the exact opposite. These are the same people. One is a mouth breather, and one is a nose breather. The way that you breathe has a big impact on the way that you look. Just from switching from mouth to nose breathing, you will see a big improvement, not just in your face, but in your health as well. The reason we breathe through our nose is because it filters the air before entering the body. That mucus in your nose filters out dust, allergens, and microorganisms. Breathing through your nose results in a 10 to 20% more oxygen uptake. It doesn't just increase uptake, but allows the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen to become more efficient. Nasal breathing increases circulating blood, oxygen, and carbon dioxide levels. It slows the breathing rate and improves overall lung volumes. Mouth breathing not only doesn't do this, but it causes your jaw to be constantly open, which leads to poor health issues as well as abnormal facial and dental development. A key to facial attractiveness is breathing through your nose, so it is essential that if you're not doing it now, you need to start. As seen in the pictures, nose breathing is how we're supposed to breathe, and allows your jaw to naturally improve. Beyond the aesthetics, a strong jawline is crucial in the overall health of the face. The only movable bone in the head is the mandible, or the lower jaw. It is essential for speaking and eating. Not only that, it helps support the soft tissues of the face and teeth. A well-developed jaw is important for proper spinal alignment and overall body posture. Now, how do we develop a healthy jaw? I'll show you 3 of the most important that you can start today. Exercise, your diet, and mewing. If you don't exercise, you start to gain weight, and that applies to your face as well. There are 3 layers of the skin. The one we need to pay attention to is the hypodermis. The hypodermis is the bottom layer of your skin. Most of the body's fat is stored in this layer. So when you lose body fat, the percentage of your facial fat will also decrease. When put with the goal of losing facial fat, exercising is vital, but you will not see results unless you change your diet as well. The diet you eat now and the one while growing up has a major impact on the way that you look. Now look at the food pyramid. It shows how much of what you should eat in order to live a healthy life with a well-balanced diet. It is divided into 5 tiers. If your meals are planned in accordance with the healthy food pyramid, you are much more likely to achieve your daily requirements for nutrients, vitamins, carbs, proteins, minerals, and essential fats. You should have at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. It is important to include different ones in order to receive benefits that each individual fruit or vegetable offers. Carbohydrates should make up the 2nd largest portion. Carbs are needed in order for your body to produce energy. These include things such as pasta, couscous, whole grains, potatoes, rice, beans, and bread. Protein is important to build and repair muscles and bones to make hormones and enzymes. Keep in mind the tiers are in accordance to how much should be eaten in a meal every day. High quality proteins. Those are of animal origin and are easy for your body to absorb. These include meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. Dairy is next. It should be eaten in moderation. Things such as cheese, yogurt, cream, butter, milk go into this category. Last is the top of the pyramid, which is fats and sugars. These should be consumed rarely or not at all. These include things such as cakes, pastries, and other processed foods. These contain a lot of calories and no beneficial value. Fats are important. They shouldn't be removed from the diet, but it is important that you know the good fats from the bad fats. Go for unsaturated fats instead of saturated. Mewing is the position of the tongue in the mouth and involves resting the tongue at the palate rather than at the bottom. Having your tongue at the bottom can lower your jaw to appear recessed and sink your chin over time. You may think that your tongue doesn't have that much of an impact, but it's the contrary. It is a big factor in oral health and facial health. Proper mewing leads to improved jaw shape as well as facial alignment. But first, you need to make sure you know how to breathe through your nose. Here's how to do it. Close your mouth, including the lips. so that your teeth are barely touching. Make sure that your lips are sealed and relax your tongue completely. Place the body of your tongue on the roof of your mouth with the tip of your tongue near the back of the upper front teeth. Maintain this posture for as long as possible and repeat regularly. Soon, this will develop into a thing you do without thinking. Always ensure you remain correctly, because if not, you can lead to pain as well as an unnatural facial structure. Check the description to find out what you should not do and the correct way to move. With time and consistency, you'll see results.